So this is another good example in street photography. Find a nice clean background, nice red wall. Just wait for people to walk into the frame. And sometimes people try to walk around you, so you hold your camera down. So yeah, good pro tip, find nice colorful backgrounds to shoot up against and make some nice pictures. Yeah, so currently walking here under this marketplace here in Osaka. It's also good to shoot, get in front. Pretty exciting stuff. So that's also another good technique, just getting in front of people. So if you see interesting people, walk around them and just start shooting head on. And the thing is, when you're shooting street photography, it might seem kind of bad, but you kind of have to be a little bit aggressive, which means, yeah, like when you see people walking, especially if you're shooting with a wide angle lens, like a 24 or 28mm lens, just getting close and shooting head on. So once again, you see often interesting backgrounds like this, just kind of getting in people's way and then shooting head on. Hello! Hello! Arigato! Yeah, that's actually the nice thing when you're shooting the street, is just just talk to people and don't take it too seriously. Oh, once again, when you're out shooting, kind of walk and getting in people's ways and getting in front of them left and right. That allows you to shoot kind of while you're doing your thing, which is always a fun thing. See the nice blue and see the red in the background. Konnichiwa! Hi! So actually the nice thing I find about when I'm shooting street photography, you just kind of force yourself to notice things that you might not notice otherwise. So yeah, like even taking photos of kids, I mean, a lot of people are kind of afraid of it, but to be frank, most people don't really seem to care. Yeah, just get close and be friendly and just kind of do it. Okay. And I think Osaka is one of the most underrated places to shoot street photography. There's so much action, there's so many people here on the streets. So fun. Highly recommend not only just coming to Japan or to Tokyo for shooting street photography, but also coming here to Osaka. And often you see a nice scene like this, just kind of linger around. And sometimes this is kind of nice. You see this crazy wall here. See a bunch of people looking up. Get close. Pretty fun. See nice hand gestures. Hi. Arigato. Cool looking guy there. People should. Do photos of, take photos of people taking selfies. And yeah, often when you're shooting, just come to a crowded place like this. If you want to get up and close and shoot photography close. So yeah, just know that when it comes to shooting street photography, if you want to get better shots, just kind of know where you want to be at. So getting crowded areas, places where there's lots of action. Layers. Suit overlooking. Linger. Wait for him to notice you. Keep moving on. I see the scene I like. So we got this here and we got things here. All right, Simon, it's recording already.
Okay.
So you see the top there?
Yeah.
Let's see how I'm gonna
I'll get your feet this time so you can see you're not on the ground.
You sure I'm not cheating?
Yeah.
All right.
How's that feel?
Empowering.
Counter's still going.
Still going?
Yeah.